The really simple system, simple marketing tool includes an easy-to-use email designer to create professional-looking emails. Using simple drag-and-drop controls, you can edit all the elements of the design with no limitation to your creativity. From the campaign summary page, creating a new campaign will open the email templates page. Our templates are simple, user-friendly layouts that you can easily edit by adding or removing sections to create your own design. If you prefer, you can work from a blank page and design your email from scratch. Once you have created an email, you can save the design and store it in the pinned section. Clicking on your chosen template or pinned email will open the email designer. In the designer, if you wish to pin your new design, click on the small pin icon next to the email name. You'll see your template appears on the left-hand side of the screen, and there are 5 controls on the right. When creating your email, we recommend starting with the Settings tab to log the details. However, you can return and edit at a later stage. First, you'll need to give your template a name. The default setting is the same as your campaign name. Next, set the subject for your email. The subject is what your recipients will see in their inbox subject line, so make sure it's something compelling to encourage them to open your message. Then add your sender name, which will most likely be your company name, as well as your sender email address and the reply to address. The Global Style tab lets you set the margins, font family, font size and colours for your overall email design. You can still vary the individual sections in the Build tab if you wish. You can set the colours using hex codes or the colour picker. Hex codes are a colour format used online, usually displayed as a 6-digit code preceded by a hashtag. To use the colour picker, click on the small coloured box. This will open the colour picker, and you can then click in the rainbow panel to find the colour you want. If you wish to use the same colour elsewhere, copy and paste the hex code displayed. The Build tab is where you can let loose your creative side. You can add more sections to the template by dragging and dropping from the Build tab to the Design panel. To remove a section, simply click on it and this will display a small cross in the top right-hand corner. Click on the cross and this will remove the section. To edit a section, clicking on it will open the appropriate control panel on the right. Within each section, there are further design options with tabs for content, style and settings. The text elements within the sections can be formatted in much the same way as you would a Word document. If you wish to add a link to a web page, highlight the text you wish to link, then click on the link icon. Add your link URL to the pop-up box and then save. You can personalise your email by using the data from your CRM database. For example, you might want to address the recipient by their first name, or include their company name, refer to products they've previously purchased, or other data you have collected. To do this, position your cursor where you want the personalisation to appear, and then click the Personalisation button. This will display a list of the fields from your CRM to select from. On Settings, you have further control to style your text box. Instead of having just the one full-width column, you can change the section to include 2 or 3 columns. To add an image, click on the Image section and go to the Content tab. Click Select Image and this will open your media gallery. In the media gallery, click Add New Image to upload an image. With the image selected, you can add tags to filter and search on your images. To add an image to your design, click Select Image. This will add the image to your email design and take you back to the Content tab in the Build section. You can add a hyperlink to the image, which will open a web page when your recipient clicks on it. In the Style tab, you can edit the size of your image using the slider control. You can also change the image alignment, background colour and corner radius. In the Settings tab, as with the text box, you can select to change your design to 1, 2 or 3 columns and collapse the borders so your images run to the edges of your design. Adding a button section lets you add a link to a web page and set your button text. Again, in the Style tab, you can edit the alignment, colour, font, size, padding and the corner radius. In Button Settings, you can select to expand the button to the full width of the page and collapse the edges. With the video section selected, in the Content tab, add the URL for your video. This will automatically add in your video and the thumbnail image. You can add video that has been uploaded to both YouTube and Vimeo. With the Social Media section, you can set up social pages by clicking the checkboxes to display the icons for those you wish to use. Once added, these will be available for all future campaigns. Your Simple Marketing tool allows you to add attachments to your emails. This is useful for mailing a report, white paper, or maybe a coupon with your email. In the Attachment tab, simply click Select Files to upload or drag and drop the file from your computer. Moving to the Test and Preview tab, you can check how your email will look and send test messages to yourself and your colleagues. Once you're happy with your design, at the top of the page, click Save and Continue to return to the campaign wizard. That's it. For more help, don't forget to access the help drawers in your CRM and click through to our Customer Support Hub for further resources.